Did you know that Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to zip through our solar system, sparked wild theories from scientists and enthusiasts alike? Some even suggest it could be a time-traveling alien spacecraft that's set to return in 2025. Sounds far-fetched, right? But what if it's not? Let's dive into this mind-bending idea and explore why this mystery has captivated imaginations worldwide. What is Oumuamua? Alright, let's start with the basics. Oumuamua was discovered in October 2017 by astronomers at the Haleakaloha Observatory in Hawaii. The name itself is intriguing. It means scout or messenger in Hawaiian, almost as if it was sent with a purpose. This object was the first we'd ever spotted passing through our solar system from interstellar space, which means it's unlike any comet, asteroid, or other known space rock that typically orbits within our system. What caught scientists off guard was not just its unique origin but also its strange appearance and behavior. Oumuamua is unlike anything we've seen before. It has an elongated, cigar-like shape, estimated to be about 800 meters in length and only about 80 meters wide. No object in our solar system has this kind of shape, and its length-to-width ratio is something we don't usually see in natural objects. But that's just the beginning. Its speed and trajectory are equally baffling. Unlike typical space rocks that move predictably within our solar system's gravitational grip, Oumuamua seemed to accelerate as it moved away from the Sun, without any visible evidence of gas or debris to suggest it was behaving like a comet. The scientific debate naturally, the strange characteristics of Oumuamua led to heated debates in the scientific community. While some scientists believe it's a natural interstellar object, possibly a fragment of a larger body torn apart by a nearby star, others have entertained more exotic theories. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, for example, proposed that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, perhaps a probe from an alien civilization, sent to explore other star systems, including ours. This idea sparked intense discussion and criticism. Many astronomers argued that Loeb's theory was too speculative. However, the unusual characteristics of Oumuamua, its shape, unexplained acceleration, and unique path, keep this debate alive. One theory suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment from a planet that was destroyed by tidal forces near a star. Another hypothesis suggests it's a type of hydrogen iceberg that could evaporate at a faster rate than other materials, explaining the acceleration. Yet, these explanations are not universally accepted, and they leave room for more questions than answers. Extraterrestrial possibility, alien probe or spacecraft. Could Oumuamua be an alien probe? Advocates of this theory point to the object's reflective qualities as a potential sign of artificial origin. Some speculate that it could be a light sail, a type of spacecraft propelled by radiation pressure from starlight. Light sails have been proposed as a way for humanity to travel to distant star systems, so it's not inconceivable that a more advanced civilization could have created one. The idea that Oumuamua was intentionally sent to our solar system aligns with the Bracewell probe hypothesis, a concept in which an extraterrestrial civilization sends autonomous probes to monitor other star systems. And here's where the story gets even wilder. If Oumuamua is an alien spacecraft, could it have mastered time travel? The time travel theory, though highly speculative, suggests that such a probe could be capable of bending spacetime to journey across galaxies and centuries. The possibility that it might return in 2025 adds an intriguing twist, raising questions about whether we're being watched or studied. Recent studies have provided more clues, though not definitive answers. Researchers noticed that Oumuamua exhibited strange reflective qualities as it spun through space, potentially indicating an outer layer made of metal or a material we don't fully understand. Some scientists even suggest that these reflections could be evidence that the object was designed to harness solar energy, a trait one might expect of an artificial probe. However, without more concrete data, these remain as hypotheses. Newer theories suggest Oumuamua might contain ice within its core, leading to small amounts of gas escaping and propelling it forward without creating the kind of tail typically seen in comets. This could explain its acceleration without requiring an artificial source. Despite these plausible theories, no one can definitively say what Oumuamua is, or isn't, which leaves the door open for even more speculation. What could Oumuamua's return mean for us? Imagine the excitement, and possibly the concern, if we spot Oumuamua, or a similar object, returning in 2025. Could it bring us closer to uncovering the truth about life beyond Earth? If Oumuamua is indeed an artificial probe, we might be on the verge of one of the greatest discoveries in human history. Encountering a spacecraft from another civilization could challenge everything we know about physics, space travel, and our place in the cosmos. Alternatively, even if Oumuamua is just a peculiar natural object, its journey has shown us that the universe still holds mysteries far beyond our current understanding. The existence of interstellar travelers like Oumuamua challenges our scientific models, urging us to advance our technology and knowledge to better understand what lies beyond our solar system. To sum it up, Oumuamua remains a captivating mystery, defying easy explanation and sparking the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Its unusual characteristics, debated origins, and potential for an eventual return keep the fascination alive. Whether it's a natural interstellar object, a piece of an ancient cosmic puzzle, or a probe from a far-off civilization, Oumuamua has broadened our understanding of what's possible in the vast, unexplored depths of space. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Oumuamua is just an odd-shaped rock, a natural phenomenon, or something much more extraordinary? Let's get the conversation going in the comments below. And if space mysteries like this captivate you, don't forget to check out my other videos. Together, we'll keep exploring the enigmas of the universe one mystery at a time.